Hey guys, Kane's Non-Toxic Fantasy 2 here. With a Bachmann unboxing, we've got Spencer. Here's the back of the box. Just Spencer's eyes move side to side. Show you the ones you can get, being Thomas the Tank Engine with analog sound, Thomas the Tank Engine, Percy the Small Engine, James the Red Engine, Gordon the Express Engine, Henry the Green Engine, Edward, Toby the Tram Engine, Emily, Spencer, of course, and more engines. Shows Celebration Thomas, Mavis, Diesel, Bill, Ben, Donald, Douglas, Duck, Iron Harry, Iron Bert, Oliver, Rosie, Paxton and Grumpy Diesel. This is in the new style packaging. Let's open up Spencer. Here is a look at Spencer's tender. I think this is a lot heavier than Edward and Donald Douglas's tenders. This is 2006 when this was made. Come on. And here's Spencer. He had that annoying mark on his face, which I removed. And they've done a good job representing Spencer's face in the model series. And this model of Spencer is painted in the colour he was painted in series 7 and 8. And from series 10 onwards he was painted silver. This model was released in 2006 according to the licensing underneath this one. Do you prefer Spencer in his series 7 up through 8 colour, or do you prefer his silver colour, which is from series 10 onwards? I'd like to hear your thoughts. He's actually a pretty good model, Spencer. Let's go and put him on the tracks for a run. And he's on the track and he's ready to rock and roll. Well, seems like he can only work going forwards. Let's try the backwards one again. Oh, there we go. His tender's just come off the rails. The reason why I got the Bachmann Spencer was the price of the Hornby one was increasing as it is so rare nowadays, which is why I decided to get the Bachmann one. I did plan to get the Hornby one. And I would recommend getting the Bachmann Spencer if you want an electric Spencer. And I got this one on Toothley Thomas for £99. Well, actually, he was £95, and the postage was £4, which came up to £99 overall. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.